Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover investments with General Electric detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your investment in General Electric. Review your investment portfolio to identify the amount you invested in GE. Research the current performance of General Electric stock. Look for recent financial news or reports regarding the company. Evaluate the company's quarterly earnings reports and future projections. Determine if your investments are still aligned with your financial goals. If you believe in the company's potential, consider holding on to your shares. If you are concerned about potential losses, explore options to mitigate risk. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice. If necessary, consider diversifying your portfolio by investing in other sectors. If you're looking to recover losses, you might explore tax loss harvesting. Keep track of your investment performance regularly. Establish a timeline to monitor GE's performance over the coming months. Stay informed about any mergers, acquisitions, or significant business changes within GE. Evaluate the company's response to market challenges and its recovery strategy. Engage with investment communities for insights and shared experiences. Continue educating yourself about the stock market and investing strategies. Make decisions based on data, not emotions. Be patient, as recovery can take time depending on market conditions. Review your strategy periodically and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.